Hi guys, I'm Jessica and today we're talking about something amazing about biology. So, it's the human life cycle. Okay, so you must learn and know about life cycle. Life cycle is something that it repeats again and again, like egg and then baby and then adolescent, like that. So, like all living things, humans, that's us, have our own life cycle too. So, we have six main stages, and that's really different from insects and other animals because they only have three or four stages, but we have six. So, it contains fetus, baby, child, adolescent, adulthood, and elderly. So, let's start with the fetus first. So, as you can see, your mom and dad get married and then give birth to you. But before that, the the sperm from dad goes to the mom's belly into the mom's egg. So it forms a fetus. So the fetus starts to grow and grow inside the mother's belly. As it continues to grow, the belly of the mother grows larger and larger. It must contain the baby inside.
I think this period we call the pregnant.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So after a few months, the baby the fetus is formed a full baby. So it came out to the world, and after a few months, it is called a baby.
Exactly 9 months.
Yeah,
Okay.
9 months, but I don't know exactly the
Okay.
months. I haven't tried being a mother. I'm just a child. So, from birth to around 2 years of age, we say a child is a baby. And while this is a long period, while the baby learn how to crawl, sit, and even standing. So, after a few years, from 3 years old to 7 years old, I think it is called a child. A child is from five 5 to 9 years old. No, 3 to 7. I forgot. And when a child is learn, it is learned in a kindergarten, like my cousin, and it continue to become more independent as they get older. And then it's adolescent. Adolescent is like the same meaning of a teenager. It is between 10 and 19 years old, and puberty results in changes in this body during this stage of the life cycle. There is even more. What do you call this kind of teenager have this, boys and girls? They have this period for a long time. Girls from 13 to 18, and boys is from 15 to 18. I think so. Yeah, and I think adolescents started to learn in universities and colleges. So if they learn in universities, they don't have to worry because they can still go home and they will still live with their parents. But for college, I think that they must start a new job so they can earn some money. And then is adulthood. Remember, adult and adulthood is completely different. You may see the word adult and then, oh, it is more than 20 years old. But no, adulthood is from just only 19 to 20. It is the time when the teenager is become an adult. And they must learn to be one. So they might go to work and then have their own house, and also adult for many years later they can start a family of their own. And many years later, I think for 50 years while the 50 years they are working, and then they stop working by the age of 67 because they are too old to work. And most people have worked hard throughout their lives and saved up enough money to retire, and they can spend the time with their families and friends. So the retire is a new word. So the retire means stop working.
But you still get the salary?
Yeah, like the payment when they start working, and then the company gives us the money.
The government, not the company.
I think.
Yeah, it's
Really?
from the government, yes. Because they have a child art in their life, and then the government know their sacrifice, and then they
Sacrifice for the job, and
Yes.
then they just pay us back.
yeah, they pay for that, for their sacrifice.
I think this is the reason, because when they don't work, they don't have the money, and when they don't have the money, they became starved, and when they become starved, they will die at a young age. So that's the end of my topic about the human life cycle. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.
Okay.